Me not give a flying fuck up people want to talk about me really. Cause be honest with me, in a hurt me, in a borrow old show me. So when somebody want to sit and criticize me, to tell the truth, it not bother me, it not hurt me. You know why? Cause life is life. Me can't still have pay time to foolishness. Me pay to what me I go, right? But who remember back in Jamaica, when we used to have the 3 big firestone them, run a back where you cook with pan pot. Eh? I feel fix it, go the pot turn over. Who remember that? Yes, man, yes, man. Who remember that? Why? I say rain a fall one morning, you know. And I cook a pot of dumpling and saltfish. In the morning, then, you know, rain a fall, you know. I say rain a come, you know, hungry. And I say, you know, so we not no kitchen no out there. So I take piece of zinc and go lean up the zinc against, you know, with the pan piece of stick over the pot. When the water start to wash down, pan you just wash right down to the fireside. And out up the fire, the dumpling them start to get soft in the pot. No fire couldn't be like again. All me blow and off and blow it wet, it couldn't come together. I take piece of zinc and carry and put it on the veranda. And then build it on the zinc. When the fire get hot, it crack up the whole veranda ground. But when the bus a pass full of people like a country, and you know my brother can fuck off all like a pretty young girl and she have gold on him teeth. He don't want nobody see him mother and his sister them so poor. He used to say him feel shame. But he shouldn't feel shame. Cock up on bus, he used to work for one man named Kang. One Chinese man, he saw one big bus named Kang. He used to say Kang bus a come. I'm here up a country, you have one little girl. And the little daughter went have with one girl. They carry the little pitney home because the mama they gone back at town. And he have me I take care of the little pitney like a my daughter, you know. And you know, no water no come a pipe, you have to walk far. This is where some of my grandmother they can't river no river no they close and no spring no they close. We have to walk far for God road to get water a pipe. And the man come down here and say baby clothes them was clean enough. And the man take a piece of hose and start to beat me tell her like no mercy. If take care of him baby and wash him baby clothes them. And I am go breed him on a road. And my mama carry the pitney and she know she couldn't take care of the pitney there. But she carry the pitney and left it and I made her to take care of the pitney. I will never forgive that son of a bitch in Connecticut. You know you me attack blood clot, you know how you. That they beat me to take care of pitney clothes with hose. So tell me like a skin nearly come off. And that time I never 15 yet. I can't forget the wickedness what I'm doing now. I can't forget, man. Because them things I forgot. I don't forget nothing about blood clot. I will never forget. Because sometimes I talk, I get angry. Like I go for your gun and go boo 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 boo. Take out them little pussy. I love life. And I love people. I always love life and I always love people. And nobody not gonna stop me from love life or love people. That's the fact. The fact is I don't give a shit who wanna talk about me. The fact is I don't give a shit because I don't give a fuck. It's not hurting me. Now stop me from my belly full. And now stop me from belch good. Now stop me from belch good. So it doesn't matter. Alright, haters. Alright, so I love you guys and I love Jamaica. I miss the boiled dumpling and the ackee. Boiled dumpling and ackee with butter, nice. Put the butter with the ackee and the butter and the dumpling. It's a saltfish. Lord, I miss that. My belly full. I'm not hungry, but I still remember how good the food is. Yes, man. So people, my love one how you doing? Avina, how you doing? Oh boy, where's the man bust up the tune right there? You have to take your time, my child. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Not now run left, none away, you hear? That's how life go. Right now, I'm out of the park and I soon get ready to go home. And I want to say big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Don't make nobody come take on for fucking idiot. No man take it for idiot, no woman take on for idiot. It's just a part of life. Some people know where them stand and if know where you stand. I love life and I love people. And I'm not a hypocrite. But some of these man too blood clot right now. I want to come on and see the little woman to give them a little money. Then see the woman, then I want to get a little money. I hold lamp on the money. I go on like if a woman ask them for money, I pussy them myself. Nobody never said I pussy them myself. Because if you see a woman and you give the woman a little money, give the woman her blood clot money. We're going to turn around and say a pussy she herself. And if a pussy she herself, when you would have gone right and you enjoy yourself, give the woman her fucking money and go your way. So when the man is worthless, you have to just cut them off and nothing to do with them. And get your own money, do your own thing. You don't need a ning in your ears like all kind of mosquito. Mosquito ning in your ears so much and soon get Zika virus. You have to spray them and get rid of them. Get rid of them backside hole. Some of these man here, that me tell some of these young girl now, one have no good pussy in her drawers. And it tight and lay down like a nice sister. Don't be a farmer fool with it. You meet a man and I talk to you right, I deal with you right in one, buy one like a condo apartment, buy one like this. Take your and galang, put in a fair name. Because soon in change when the pussy sweet him after a while, you come like a Clyde. He start refuse, you can't even get a buckle of water. You can't even get a buckle of water. My grandmother would say, beat it while the iron is still hot, you beat it. Get what you can. Because when that motherfucker get used to you, and he come and thinks you're easy, and he must think you like him. No make no orgasm man, boy, I suck your pussy frighten you because suck pussy never frighten you. It's similar to masturbation. No make that frighten you. Jamaica may come from, it's not pussy sucking and not cock sucking. When hardcore cocking away all. Pure satisfaction. So therefore and then me not put them on practice. But some of them man wanna start making yourself avail for them fucking idiot here. They want to make excuse and figure same thing and make up all kind of excuse. But when they want to dick inside a pussy, you no complain. No fucking complain. I tell about these motherfuckers.